Hi, I have just found your website www.workingdogs.com.au. Can you tell me a bit about your website?
Hello, workingdogs.com.au is a classified website. People in Australia that have working dogs can advertise on our website. Our website covers stock dogs, cattle dogs, sheep dogs, pig dogs, hunting dogs, gun dogs, terriers and protection dogs.
That's great. How do I sign up?
It is very easy to do. First of all, you have to register to the website. The register button is in the top right hand corner. You will need a username, email address and a password.
That's easy. How do I place an ad?
Simple, just press the post an ad button and select which area you want your ad posted in. A new page will load and you will see a form to fill out. Make sure you give a detailed description of what you have for sale.
What are tags all about?
Tags are simple descriptive words that will help Google find your ad. So if you type in border collie for sale or bull Arab pig dog for sale, Google may just find your ad. Just think of what you would type into Google if you were looking for a dog for sale.
That makes sense. What about photos? It says they have to be 500 kilobytes and under. How do I resize my photos?
You will have to search the internet and download a program to resize your pictures. You can always email us your photos and we will resize them and send them back to you. Our email address is admin@workingdogs.com.au.
Thanks. What about featured ads and coupons?
Featured ads scroll on the top of our website. The featured ads get a lot more exposure than just normal ads. A worthy investment of $10 to make your ads stand out. Coupons are exactly that, a discount on your ad. We will have different coupons running at all times. Keep an eye out on the website. The coupon must be typed in exactly how it is seen for it to work. Email us to ask what the current coupon is.
That is real easy, thank you. Is there any other tips?
Once your ad is listed, you can go back and edit your ad. Go to my dashboard and find your ad. You will see a pencil type icon. Press it and it will take you to the editing page. Make sure you mark your dog as sold when it sells. If you have any dramas or need help with anything, please do not hesitate to email us for support.
Thanks again for all of your help. It looks like a great website. I'm going to post an ad up now.